Which points were ipsilateral and which are contralateral?
You see, in this case, what I did, I didn't pay any attention to that. They both work. So you don't have to worry about this contralateral. Look I just stuck some needles in here, which is contralateral. Or is that? Pain's on the left. Yeah, I stuck some needles on here, which is ipsilateral. And then I just went down here and needled the ipsilateral side. Now, why did I do that? Because I started with the kidney insertion. And because I thought it was a kidney problem, you needle the kidney on the same side. But you could needle easily the kidney on the opposite side. You can do that. It will work. So I just chose this. Now, if he still said, well, it's 80% better, I would have gone in on this side. But it doesn't really matter. But to be safe, you usually have to line them up on both sides. What I would recommend, folks, is this. Don't leave the room until the pain is completely gone. That's your challenge. Make the pain go away. Do not be satisfied with the following response from the patient. How's the pain now? It's better. Oh, okay. Don't do that. You'll get in trouble. Don't go with it's better. First of all, you don't even know what it's better means. It could be it's 10% better. You only go with one statement. It's gone. Then you leave. Now this will force you to pull out all the stops in the beginning, and your learning curve will be very rapid. Just like that. But if you're satisfied with it's better, your learning curve will be much smaller. Yeah.
I noticed that your backup didn't include staying wide and long when the pain was diminishing.
Right.
So you habitually shrink.
Yeah. As soon as that proprioceptive threshold kicks in, the area of the pain will narrow. And then I follow the narrowing. I still spread the image. Look at that. I didn't put one needle in. I spread it over about 4 inches. But here I'm spreading over, 16 inches. He has long arms. So yeah, you're right. Because, you don't have to needle all the way down. That's kind of mean. And it's not necessary. Okay, next question. Okay, why don't we give Donna a microphone? Go ahead. Are we going to get feedback here? Okay. Okay, we ready? Ready? Okay, Donna, tell everybody where you hurt.
From my neck all the way down and even on the back, the upper back.
Okay, she hurts from the neck, down across the top of the shoulders here, and down the back. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so now acupuncture 1, what muscle group are the pains in? Well, the biggest muscle that's most superficial here is the trapezius muscle. It comes in from the occiput, goes all the way down the back, and then down to the spine, halfway down the back, actually. Then underneath that, you have these upper rhomboids.
Let me turn around.
Yeah, sure, you can turn around. Okay, so this whole area, is this the side? Yes. This whole area from here to here, this is all trapezius. Underneath that, you have your rhomboid muscles in here. This is all rhomboid. That's tight. My God. Okay, rhomboids are underneath. Then right up here, you have a supraspinatus muscle. Then, coming out of her neck, you got the posterior scalene, you have the levator scapula, and you have your trapezius muscle, all lined up in here. So now we have all kinds of choices, okay? It's going to be fun. And so what we'll do is our strategy will be, let's go after the trapezius and see what we've got. The trapezius muscle is serviced by the UB vessel, okay? And she hurts on the neck, so we know we're going to go up into her hands, and then we'll move down into the wrist. This is where the wrist crease is, right at T1. Is the wrist crease or the ankle crease? And then we'll move down the back a little bit, and we'll move proximal to the wrist crease and proximal to the ankle crease, targeting the UB muscle. So we're going to use the lung, we're going to use the UB, we're going to use the kidney, and we're going to use the small intestine. That's our choices. And then we'll see what's left. And then what's going to happen is some of it's going to go away, and then we'll see. Maybe it'll all go away, or maybe it'll be something more specific, and that will be another muscle group, and we'll target that. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Go ahead and sit down.
It's bilateral.
Oh, it's bilateral. Oh, my God. Okay. Where's the tissue stuff? I mean, those guys, yeah. Thank you. Okay, pull your sleeves way up and pull your trousers up. Very good. The other trouser. Very good. And let's have her feet on the chair so she has a place to rest them. Okay, and here we go. Okay, let's target the trapezius muscle first, which is the UB. Is this my needles? I guess it is. Oh. Are you needle shy?
No,
You sure?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's see what we've got. What we'll do is we'll take out the neck first. And the neck guy, we use a little trick. Since we don't really know how many are involved, let's just treat them all. How's that? Just treat the whole damn thing. Okay? So we'll start here on one side of the neck, and this image right here where this first knuckle starts, this is the occiput. Because if you look at the hand, put your hand straight up, if the whole hand represents the whole head, where's the occiput? Right here, halfway, right opposite the eyes. So the occiput, the top of the neck is here. And then you're going to go down the neck, and when you hit the wrist crease, you hit T1. Now, do you hurt all the way up in here, or is it more down midway?
All the way up.
It's all the way up. Wrong answer. Okay? Okay, good. Resin Summit, here, why don't you hand me these needles? Hand them to me by the handle, okay? Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Okay, Donna? You okay?